When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl. Talking about my girl, my girl. I've got so much. Honey, the bees envy me. I've got a sweetest song than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl. Talking about my girl, my girl. Ooh, ooh. May adlib eh. Ten, 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 ten. Ten, 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 ten. I don't need no money, fortune or fame. I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl. Talking about my girl, my girl. I've got sunshine on in my girl, my girl. Talking about, talking my girl, ooh, my girl. That's all I can talk about. It's my girl. Ayan, my girl. Sabi niya. Ayan, Madam Ning, thank you. Siguro maganda ako. Okay na siguro to, guys. O mag-ano pa ba tayo? Ay, ito Madam Ning, i-acapella natin to. Yung kanta ni Madam Ning. Lower key nga tayo, lower key. Kasi minsan kahit ito, ano to guys, mataas yung timbre niya. Ewan ko ba, ayan, lower 4 keys. Minus 4 to guys. Sakto sa atin to. Ganda siguro aralin niya na. Mabaliw ka ba? Mag-aral ng note. Mambaril ka mag-aral ng nota. Ako kasi pinapakinggan ko lang. Ang gagaling ng mga nag-aaral ng nota na. Ay, parang ibang version to. Ma'am Shipe, thank you. Umpisa na si Kuya Paul. Ayan, kung gusto niyo pumunta doon guys, okay lang. Two old friends. Bagal naman ito. Teka. Sa Geronimo siya version eh. Ayoko ng ganito. Mabagal nga siya. Lower key nga siya. Pero ang ano niya guys, ang bagal. Yung version ni Sarah, ayan. Dapat ganito lang. Dapat ganito lang guys. Ayan, teka. So ito, walang kulay. Pagtsagaan ko na lang. Kinig-kinig na lang tayo guys. Two old friends meet again, wearing all the faces, and talk about the places. Ulit. Gagawin natin.